Hurry! Get to the huts! The storm is getting worse.
Look at the lightning! We must move faster!
The river's broken the banks.
The water's too high. We must go!
Head for the upper village. Hurry!
Help us, please. The water is rising too fast.
Is anyone there to help?
Oh no! It's coming in! Move! Everyone move! Get back!
Everyone, move upstairs now! Do not wait!
Hurry! Go upstairs! Everyone move!
Let's go! Hurry!
Oh, my back! Help me!
It's okay, sweetie. Dad and I are here.
We'll keep you safe. Nothing will hurt you.
Shh, it's all right. Just breathe.
Help! We're stuck! Over here! We're coming! Stay calm! Hurry! The water's rising! Watch the current!
Don't worry, we're safe here.
I know. Just waiting. I'm sleepy.